Out of 7.7 billion population, only 370,000 members. Imagine, you are one of them, and what is the percentage? 0.0004. That means you have taken one step to change your life. Today I will talk about change. If you don't like your life, you cannot change. But if you don't like your job, if you don't like the position you are holding right now, if you don't like your car, if you don't like the way people treat you, you can change. It's in our hands, isn't it? Do you agree? So who is stopping you? Why you are still doing what you don't like? Why are we still doing what we don't like? This is the platform where we can come and change, embrace change. We need to give a favor to ourselves. We need to give ourselves a chance. Then only we can change. By thinking, we can't do anything, isn't it? This is how we need to react or act upon our life. So if you feel like you want to see somewhere on a position, certain position in next 10 years, start working today. If you start working tomorrow, it will take 10 years. If you start working after 10 years, it will take another 10 years. That point in time, you won't have that energy what you have today. So why not today? So please do it, especially for our young generation, especially you ladies. If you want to see yourself somewhere, you need to start working today. Education is very important, but taking steps are more important than that. If you want to change, you need to give the proper hours. Otherwise, you mean each one of us have no right to blame about other people's quality. If somebody is doing something not good in front of you, you have no right to criticize that person till you prove that person, okay, look at this performance. Show your performance. Okay, this is normally I take life. You have no right to criticize me till you show me your content better than me. This is how life is. Normally, it's very easy to, you didn't do good. But how? Show me one. So, this is how we should take life.